In this video, we're gonna show you how to make a hot, fast, delicious, low-calorie, high-protein breakfast in seconds. So let's get to it. This is a great simple recipe for a high protein, low cal breakfast that you can make ahead, store it in the refrigerator, and then you can take it with you to work, heat it up. So it's super portable, super easy. In fact, there's only 4 ingredients. What we've got in here is we've got 6 eggs and 6 egg whites, and I'm gonna get these whipped up. All right, that looks good. And now we're gonna season this with a little bit of Dash Table Blend, no salt seasoning. Get this whisked in. And then the saltiness is gonna come from our Canadian bacon. This is also gonna add some smokiness, some more flavor to the dish. It's also super lean, low in fat, and it's gonna add more protein to our recipe. So we're gonna get this mixed up. We've got the oven preheating at 350 degrees, and I've got a muffin tin that's prepped with just a little bit of cooking spray to keep these from sticking. All we're gonna do is put a 1/4 cup of our mixture into each one of these prepared muffin tins. So about a 1/4 cup into our muffin tins. And now we're gonna top these with a little bit of shredded Mexican cheese. Just a blend of shredded cheese. This is a 1/2 cup. And when we take these out of the oven and show you what they look like, I will give you the nutritional breakdown. All right, let's take these to the oven. Okay, let's give these a taste. These taste great. That little bit of Canadian bacon really makes it a little bit more salty and smoky. I promise you the nutritional breakdown. You get 2 of these per serving, only 145 calories with 16 grams of protein. Definitely gonna fuel your day, keep you filled. Great hot breakfast, super portable. You can make these on a Sunday and then put them in the fridge, pop a couple out on your way to work Monday morning. Hope you got some value out of this. I'm gonna be eating these all week, and I'll see you here next time on the Idea Plate. In this video, we're gonna show you a hot, fast, delicious, sit, I'm talking to the dog. In this video, we're gonna show you a delicious, hot, fast, Thank you. Do you want a bite? Do you want to say hi to the camera? Are dogs allowed to have eggs? What? Okay, I gotta go again. Is it good? This is a great simple recipe for a All right, that's all you get. That's it.